Today, we will witness two people who never gave up on each other and remain strong as one. Now, they have chosen to seal their love with sacred sacrament of love. As we remain seated, let us all welcome the entourage. Starting with our officiating pastor, Pastor Nachor B. Santos.
Hindi ka patigil? Dire-diretso na.
The groom, Mr. Ricky V. Calios. Together with his parents, Mr. Rudy V. Calios and Mrs. Divina R. Villanueva. The principal sponsors, Mr. Roel B. Banyares and Mrs. Lucy S. Banyares. Mr. Ariel I. Arabit and Mrs. Melba P. Arabit. Engineer Emiliano P. Heranya, Mrs. Adelaida B. Heranya. Mr. Janilo S. Ganson and Mrs. Shirley S. Ganson. Mr. Jose Duardin L. Nayuba and Mrs. Arlina L. Nayuba. Mr. Rotherham B. Banyega and Mrs. Christine M. Banyega. Mrs. Imelda R. Geraldes. And Mrs. Evelyn A. Cabotare. Mrs. Siap. Mrs. Alice S. Siap. The secondary sponsors, the best man, Engineer Mars S. Mansuheto. And the maid of honor, Miss Shane B. Heranya. The groomsmen and bridesmaids, Engineer Jerry Wilson F. Legaspi and Miss Diana May B. Calios. Engineer Donald Ian G. Matoquinos and Miss Ariel D. Atendido. Engineer Herbert Ungriano. Engineer Mark Justin Sakay. Engineer J. S. Ganzon and Miss Annabel T. Manuel. Engineer Ransom Shoson and Miss Caroline L. Custodio. Engineer Eugene Daitol and Miss Kay Angie Cayetano. Miss Ira K. S.G. Evanches. Miss Ara May A. Manabat. Sorry. Mrs. Maria Julina C. Ison. Aiza May P. Calios. Lynn Tarwat Awad. Mary Kate Uriel A. Calios. Lynn Tarwat Awad El Sayed Awad. Lexine May C. Espinosa. The parents of the bride, Mr. Rodsford B. Banyares and Mrs. Mercy S. Banyares. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may we all rise as we witness the entrance of our very beautiful bride.